Hi, my name is Zane Kashlan, and I will be teaching biology on this channel. Today we will be covering the 8 characteristics of life, exploring what classifies something as biotic or abiotic. To give context, something biotic abides by all 8 of these characteristics of life, while something abiotic is missing one or more of these characteristics. So, let's get started. The first characteristic, in no particular order, that we will be talking about is cellular organization. All living things have, whether eukaryotic, prokaryotic, or if we dive deeper, plant and animal, cells. By the cell theory, all living things must be made of cells. Cells make up tissues, tissues make up organs, and organs make up organ systems. Cells make living things. Next, all living things must have a metabolism, the ability to synthesize or metabolize material. So in this picture, I'm showing the photosynthesis and cellular respiration, which both go hand in hand to create energy for either plants or animals. Moving on, heredity, the passing of traits genetically, is also a key part of classifying organisms because it preserves genetic information. Organisms can pass down traits either through mitosis or meiosis. Let's look at the diagram I created right here. This is an example of sexual reproduction between a female and a male. They pass down traits to offspring, which allows them to preserve genetic information. Moving on, heredity takes us to reproduction because they go hand in hand. Reproduction, either asexually or sexually, passes down genetic traits. To begin, asexual reproduction creates the same exact cell. This is mitosis. While sexual reproduction between 2 organisms creates offspring with different traits. It's going to have the organism will have similar traits from the parents, but because through interphase of meiosis 2, some traits will differ. Next, homeostasis, the maintenance of a constant internal state, is important because reaching equilibrium helps all organisms survive. Looking here, goosebumps, used by our primitive ancestors, was good for keeping warm in the cold weather. This is no longer as effective because humans and mammals today do not have as much hair. Next, growth and development is the ability of an organism to use its surroundings to grow and develop. Looking at this picture right here, I've drawn a human infant growing to a human adult using nutrients and its surroundings. Next, response to stimuli, which goes hand in hand with homeostasis, is the ability of an organism to adapt to stimuli or one's surroundings. So, right here, shivering is an example of responding to stimuli. This is a human responding to the cold weather by shivering to create warmth. This uses metabolism. Last but not least, we have evolution through adaptation. Descendants should come from ancestors. That is what this last characteristic of life explains. Right here in this drawing, we have a common ancestor of 2 organisms which created both the monkey and the human. That's all for this video, guys. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment asking for future videos. Thank you.